Hi everyone! Today we'll be sharing with you sequencing activities that could help develop your child's logical thinking skills. All the free printables are linked down below on the description box. If you have kids as young as 2 years old, then you can start with this activity. The child only needs to match the right colored snap cubes to follow the pattern. This develops her concentration, visual discrimination, and hand-eye coordination. Build a burger activity is a fun way to teach your child about sequencing and patterns.
Lettuce. And good job. I'm proud of you.
Let your child name each topping before you let her build the burger.
Lettuce, the cheese, the bun. Red, green.
This colored bear sequencing activity is quite challenging for 3 years old. But with practice, they'll be able to answer this by themselves. We started with the AB pattern, then the AABB pattern, and lastly the ABC pattern.
green. Correct. Yes. Red, blue, green. Red. Kasi sunod sa red.
Blue!
Yay! Correct! You know how to do it!
My daughter enjoyed this activity as she pretended that these are dinosaur eggs that are about to hatch out. This activity made her so engaged as she talked about dinosaurs, making it more meaningful.
Yay! That way easily really hatch!
Good job.
Green! Green!
Yes. And then,
Blue!
correct.
Um,
Kasi sunod.
pink!
Good job.
That's it everyone. I hope you enjoyed our video, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.